This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Integra Resources Corp. Integra Resources Corp is a mineral exploration company listed on NASDAQ as ITRG, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker ITRG to locate the listing. Select the Integra Resources Corp result that matches the NASDAQ exchange and ticker. On the asset page, you will see a brief company profile and the price chart for the stock. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure you have the correct instrument. Press Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have enough funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. A link is in the description if you want to learn more about the platform used in this example.